Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error code 277 disconnected. First, close Roblox completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now restart your internet router. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This step fixes the issue for many players. Now we will flush the DNS. This helps fix connection and server issues. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the black window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message saying the DNS cache was successfully flushed. Close the window and restart your PC. After that, clear the Roblox cache. Right-click the Start button and open the Run box. Type %local updata% and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and open it. Delete the logs folder and the cache folder if they exist. This removes corrupted temporary files. If the error still happens, reinstall Roblox. Go to Apps and Features in Windows Settings. Find Roblox, uninstall it, then restart your computer. Download Roblox again from the official website and install it fresh. After completing these steps, the error code 277 should be fixed. Thanks for watching.